Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I've got another treat for you. We've got Style 11 featuring the Fairies and Fireflies collection, and I'm going to take you through the entire look-see of this project because it is something to see, my friends. It's so good. Let's change the camera view. All right, so Fairies and Fireflies, this comes in two ways: digital collection and the hard copy. The hard copy is a 12 by 12 pad. Guys, are you ready? These are 8 by 8s. This is Moving Parts Minis Style 11. We've only got one more to go, and oh my goodness, am I sad already? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Look at this. Look at the window. It's got acetate in it. Just look at all of these beautiful, beautiful things in this paper collection. Of course, it is for photos, but my friends, you are going to have such a blast making this one because it just has so many fun, fun things in it that you're just going to lose your marbles because I lost my marbles with this one. I had so much fun. Wow. Let me unpack this for you. I feel like I need to come in closer so you can really look at everything in here. Um, I usually have my camera a bit far away, just so when I open things, you can see how they open. But guys, this is just so gorgeous and so fun. Ah, I'm just leaving it here because you have to take a look at this. You need a minute to appreciate all of the layers, what's happening here behind the window. Just so much fun. The unicorn here, it's beautiful, my friends. So here's, first of all, let me show you the inspiration layout. Yes, this has an inspiration layout. Here it is. This was the inspiration for this uh, Moving Parts Mini Folio Style 11. So thank you so much for these layouts. There's credit here right on the screen. And let's take a look at the layout. Woo! All right, so we have a 3 by 4 here. Of course, you can put a 4 by 6 if you wanted to, but I really wanted to show off the layer here on the top, so I opted for the 3 by 4. You can also have a photo right on board here if you want to. So you know, I went with the 3 by 4. All right. And this can stay in there. I don't have to take it out. And that's just tucked away in here. All of the embellishments that you see here, my friends, are in the paper collection. Okay. They are in the paper collection. If you're doing the 11 by 11, I recommend using the 12 by 12 collection, which comes in hard copy. I will ship that to your home. And if you're doing the smaller versions, you print at 8 by 8. There's a video here on YouTube. I show you how to do that. You don't need anything special, nothing special, just a color printer and 8.5 by 11 paper. And I talk about paper as well. Look at this. Look at this. This is why I normally have my camera out so you can see everything. Let me zoom out just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right? So just look. Look, look, look. How amazing that this little light here literally looks like it's lit. Look at the little fun woodland animals, woodland. Little tuck space here because I really wanted to show off this paper because I needed this to give me this effect here. I take you through this matting process, my friends, from start to finish. Feel free to fast forward because I literally take you from start to finish. So listen, it may get a little boring, right? Because, I'm doing eyelids, I'm doing stuff, but you can fast forward as one of our fellow crafters said. Don't worry, Kathy, you leave everything in there. I'll fast forward if I have to. So there you go. Here's another layer, my friends. So this is what moving parts is about. It's layers. I take a flat layout and I create layers to give us moving parts. All right, so you can't put this in a sleeve. You literally unpack this. There's a lot of room for 4 by 6s. There's all sorts of fun things in here. And I've made 11 designs so far. There is one more left. And I'm a little bit sad about it. I think I will be making more. Look at this here, guys. How fun is this? There's another window in here. Look, look, another window. Look at that layering right there. So this opens up and to reveal more fun stuff. This is for 4 by 6 photos. I just wanted you to see the gorgeous paper, so I didn't put anything in this pocket back here. But as you can see, 4 by 6 photos. This here is for 4 by 6 photos. Again, I wanted you to see the beautiful paper, 4 by 6 photos. Okay. You can do a photo. Where did I do a photo somewhere? You can do a photo here if you want to. But of course, I chose the fairy. I did a photo here for you. Okay. Photos here. There's plenty of room for photos in this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I cannot take it. It's so, so beautiful. And there's another side, guys. There's another side. All right, so let's unpack this left side. Whoopsie, whoopsie, whoopsie. This goes this way, this way, this way, and this way. All right, so there was a magnet in here. No, I think I'm wrong. I think it's this way, this way, this way. Yeah, there's a magnet in here, but of course I decided to put a slot right where the magnet is, which keeps this closed. See, there's resistance there now. All right, but I should just leave them. I should leave the magnet, but I love the little photo mats. So look at this, my friends, when you open this up. How beautiful. Hopefully this is not looking black on your folder. This is like a gorgeous mossy green. I mean in the video, gorgeous mossy green. It's really beautiful. There are the photo mats all done up, my friends. This opens up, right? So that you can take your photo mats out, right? And just enjoy them. There's a bumper here that holds everything into place. But listen, this is not going anywhere. So I decided to have our gorgeous peacock just showing him or herself off there. And then you tie this around. And it's just beautiful, guys. I have no other words. Again, you untie, you enjoy, you enjoy. I have no other words. I'll just put this one back here. Look, put one right here and another one just right here. And there it is, because I do love the mini photos. And then we have this side, which inspiration layout, guys, I showed you. So this little layer opens up like so. This layer opens up. This is a little extra layer that I put here depending on how you're matting. So I wanted to add embellishments down here. So I had to add another layer here so then we can open this layer here. That will house larger style photos or a collage of smaller photos. There's a pocket here. There are 2 pockets, one right here. See that, how gorgeous that is? I did acetate behind that. There's another pocket right here. A shorter pocket, right, that you would add smaller photos right there, and then the big pocket back here. That's for the 4 by 6s. And this one right here. So really cute, my friends. Lots of layers, lots of places for goodies, lots of places for photos, all right, and just gorgeous. Do you want to see some more? There's no photos in this one because I really wanted you to see the matting here. Oh, hold on, one more time. Look at this paper. How gorgeous! How gorgeous is this paper? And again, I cannot stress how perfectly this was done, where the stars look like they're lit up on that back, on the dark night background. It's just stunning, guys. So beautiful. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think about this one. I did make a little boo-boo here where I put this embellishment a little too far to the outside. So I talked to you all in the video about bumping it in a little bit so it doesn't get beat up. So all of that is in the process videos in the project folder. This is on sale, my friends. It's on sale. The paper collection is on sale. If you love it, pick it up. You can pick up the hard copy paper collection as well. And I thought I had one here near me. I do. So here's what the 12 by 12 looks like. It's a gorgeous paper pad. with beautiful images. I cannot stress enough how gorgeous these papers are. All right. The embellishments are all in here. They are stunning, stunning, stunning. And of course, they're larger, they're more to scale for the 12 by 12. When you print out 8 by 8, they're reduced and the scale is just perfect. All right? Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. I can't say enough about this. I can't wait to read your comments on what you think about this gorgeous one because style 11, guys, style 11. Look at this paper. How stunning. Beautiful. The cover needs nothing. It is just perfection. All right? Absolute perfection. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. All of your purchase options will also be linked down below for your convenience. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.